Step into the world of efficient firearm maintenance with the Garrison Grip MagCamWizard baseplate removal tool for all GLOCK magazines. Designed for precision, this tool ensures a hassle-free baseplate installation and removal process while ensuring that your magazine stays in fully operational condition. It boasts a sturdy construction that promises durability and reliability. The MagCamWizard is a must-have for every firearm enthusiast, providing an effortless way to keep your equipment in pristine condition. Remember, precision is key when it comes to firearm maintenance, and the MagCamWizard is the only tool on the market that does not damage the magazine when used properly. Trust the Garrison Grip MagCamWizard to deliver time-saving ease of use. Watch the 15-second video that follows and see exactly how the MagCamWizard for GLOCK will make gun maintenance a whole lot easier. Use the promo code Liberty Matters in all caps and all one word at GarrisonGrip.com for 20% off any of our exclusive products. A QR code will be provided to take you to this special offer. Thanks for listening, and now here is the MagCamWizard demonstration.